Welcome everybody to today's short but easy video on how to connect your prop firm Tradovate accounts with Tradingview. Okay, it's a very simple 4-step process. Of course, step number 1 is going to be if you don't have a prop firm account, you need to get one, and I'll show you the best prop firm right now that you can get one with. From there, you need to go inside of Tradovate and just set up a plugin that is very simple. You just have to do is about click like 2-3 buttons. From there, we're going to log in into Tradingview and set up Tradingview with Tradovate in order so you can trade. And then from there, how to use Tradingview to place trades. Okay, so I hope you're ready. Let's get started. Now, the first step, of course, is that if you do not have a prop firm account right now, you can go to roichampions.com/TTT, and you're going to set up here an account with TickTickTrader, which they give you a direct funded account right away. Okay, which is amazing. All right, so you don't have to pass an evaluation. All you have to do is just click on Tradovate. Okay, and you're going to be able to get either $100,000, $150,000, or a $250,000 account. Now, of course, if you want to get my coupon and discount, you go to roichampions.com/TTT, and you can buy either the $100,000 or the $150,000 at a discount. Now, if you want to go with an evaluation, you can also do that as well, as you can see right here. Okay, now of course this ones, they're a little cheaper, but you have to pass a test, right? Now from there, you need to make sure that you're clicked on Tradovate. No matter if it's Topstep, Apex, My Funded Futures, you need to make sure that you're on Tradovate, or it's not gonna work for this settings. Okay, now if you want to use a different rhythmic or CQG or whatever it is, that's totally fine. Okay, now from there, once you get your prop firm account, they're gonna send you your Tradovate login information. You need to log in with that, and you need to go here, okay, to the system settings. Okay, make sure that you go to the system settings, and again, let's click on that right here. You see application settings. We're gonna click on that. From here, we want to go into the add-ons. Okay, we need to go in there real fast. Just set up a plugin so we can trade with Tradingview. All right, so let's click on that. From there, as you can see, we are right here in the add-ons, and we need to click on the Tradingview plugin. Now, I already set it up, but when you come in, it's gonna be, I think, like blue or something like that. I'm not sure, but all you need to do is just click on it. It's very simple, and you are gonna activate your Tradingview plugin. Okay, so you can go into Tradingview and you can connect Tradovate with it, and it's 100% free if you have a prop firm account. If you have a personal account, I think it's $9.95 or $9.97, something like that, a month. Okay, so if you are using a prop firm account, though, it is 100% free. Just make sure that you click on activate, and it's ready to go. From there, we need to log in into Tradingview. If you do not have a Tradingview account, you can also go to roichampions.com/TV, and you're going to get the best deal that they're having at that point in time. Okay, now from there, as you can see, you're going to have a screen similar to this. What you want to do is go into your trading panel. As you can see, this arrow right here, you need to go and click on this trading panel right here. Okay, so let's click on that together. And you're gonna have this information. Now, it might be smaller, or it just depends. When you first log in, you can drag it, okay, or you can move up and down, totally up to you. From there, you want to scroll down until you find Tradovate. As you can see, it's right here for me. Okay, now for you, it might be in a different section. It might be on top, it might be on the bottom, I don't know. You need to just make sure that you scroll until you find it. If you do not see it, what you can do is scroll all the way down and click on all brokers, and it's a full list of all the brokers that they allow is gonna pop up. And also, if you're using your own personal account and you have any of these brokers, this is how you'll connect them as well. Okay, so from there, though, what we want right now is to go with Tradovate, right? So we're gonna click on this here. Once we click on this, the first time you're gonna log in, is going to show you right here is going to be on live. You do not want to use that unless you are on your own personal account. Okay, so the first time you set this up is going to be on live. What you want to do is click on demo. Okay, you want to make sure that you click on demo. Okay, once you click on demo, you want to submit your Tradovate username or email. okay, and your password. So let me do that now. Okay, and then you want to click on connect. We're going to connect. As you can see, now my Tradovate account has been connected to the Tradingview. That's all you need to do, okay? And from there, you're going to have all this information. You have your positions, your orders, your account summary, your notification log. Here's going to be your account number. Here's going to be your balance and your equity, okay? And if you have any profits, it will show there, all right? Now you're connected. You don't need to do nothing else. Everything is set up. You can trade from Tradingview moving forward. Now, but how do you place trades, right? That's what you want to know. Simple. All you need to do, you can also just minimize this right here. As you can see, you can minimize it if you want to place trades, okay? And you have different options, okay? You can use these buttons right here. You can go long by clicking the blue button, or you can go short by clicking the sell button, okay? Now, another thing you can do is if you want to have your order buttons right here, you can click right here where it says trade, okay? You want to click on that, right? And then it's going to pop up. As you can see, it's right there. You can place all your orders here, okay? You have sell and buy. Here will be your sells. Here will be your buys. You also have market. You have limit. You have your stops. You have your stop limit. You have how many units you want. So if you're on 1 contract, 5 contracts, you have your USD risk. You also have your take profit, and you have your stop loss. And of course, this is going to be the buy or sell button. Okay. Now from there, you have your ticks. You have the price that you're getting into. You have the amount. Let's say an example, take profit. You have the amount you want to make, and what is the percentage from the price that you're at. Okay. Now, you can also use the DOM. It's right here. Okay, this is the DOM. If you want to trade through here, you can also do that as well. All right. Most people use the order button right here. Now, how do you search for a tick, or how do you search for the symbols, right? What you want to do, as an example, is go right here. Okay. You want to click on this here first. Okay. Once you click on it, just delete this right here. Delete it. Okay. Delete it. Now, I had it clicked on Tradovate, but what you want to do is not going to be click. It's going to be something like this, right? I don't know the color at the time because they change it all the time. But what you want to do is click on the Tradovate, okay? As an example, I'm going to click on it. As you can see, now my Tradovate is highlighted, all right? Now, yours, it can be different color when you highlight it. I'm not sure what it's going to be. So, yes, I understand that. From there, you have all of these symbols, okay? You have everything that you can use with Tradovate, okay? You have anything that they trade, that they allow you to trade inside Tradovate, you can use, okay? So let's say an example that you want to trade the NASDAQ, this one right here. All you need to do is just click on this, on the arrow down, okay? And then you can choose the contract that you want to trade, okay? You can use any of these. Now, right now, we're on the March contract, so I'm going to click on that. Okay, and there you go. Right now, we're on the March contract, and I can start placing trades immediately. Okay, I can do either sell orders, as you can see right here. I click on the sell, and I can go short. Okay, or I can click on the buys, and I can go long. Okay, now, as an example, let's say that you want to do a limit order. You can also set up a take profit if you want, okay? You can also set up a stop loss if you want, right? All you need to do is click on the take profit and click on the stop loss if you want to use those, okay? Now, you don't have to, okay? But you can, all right? Now, if you don't want to use them, just make sure that they clicked off, okay? Now, if you want to go short, again, it's the same similar thing, okay? Now, of course, you can do timing force, day, good to cancel, good to the day. All right. So as you can see, this is very, very simple. Now, one of the tips I do want to give you is to make sure that maybe you have Tradovate already open, okay, for you, right? Because let's say an example that you do place a trade and it doesn't close off inside of Tradingview or inside of you know, like it just doesn't work, right? Like you place a trade inside Tradingview and it doesn't close off. You either want to have Tradovate open on your phone, or on another window. So you can come in there and you can shut it off. And the way you can do that is by coming in here and click on exit at market and cancel all, or just cancel all orders. Okay, now that's how easy it is to set this up for yourself. I hope you enjoyed this short little video. Of course, if you also want to learn how to trade, you can also go to ROIChampions.com/replay, and you can watch my on-demand presentation on how we're using my weird custom trading indicator that's currently giving me an 80+% profitable trades every single day. Okay, so make sure that if you have any comments, if I missed something, please let me know below in the comments. If you know another trader that will enjoy this video, please make sure that you share with them. Please like the video and let me know how I can help you. If you want me to take a look at another prop firm or another like type of trading view that you know, another system, let me know and I'll do a video for them as well. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this short little video. Remember, trade safe and let the profits come to you.